Hi, this is Alberto from Germany, and this is my Why I Advocate the Zeitgeist Movement video. So, why do I advocate the Zeitgeist Movement? The Venus Project or a resource-based economic model? Well, I could rephrase it like this and say, why I advocate an efficient, strategic and intelligent management of the Earth's resources. Or I could say, why I advocate peace, freedom, food for everybody on the planet. Or why I advocate health or a proper health care, or education. Or why I advocate the unification of mankind or a sane society. Or the use of the scientific method for social concern. I could go on the whole day. To be honest, it's a shame to have to advocate things like this. But if you turn on the news, you know exactly what I mean. It's pretty obvious that things are messed up, pretty bad. The good thing is that solutions exist. And part of the solutions is to inform others and to inform yourself. So I invite you to start thinking on your own. So, peace.